What are they doing? Come on, y'all.
She's like, what on earth?
She probably thinks it's something.
No, because Mama's is the end of July. I just wonder what she's thinking.
You gotta cross that water. Somebody throw down their coat.
Maybe Aunt Stella's telling her. Yes, we're going to sing.
Happy early birthday.
Is she going to get out? She's not crying in the car, is she?
That's your mom. What's going on? Look. Just fixing her clothes.
She's gonna cry.
She's coming around.
Lock her car. Yeah.
Happy early birthday!
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. This is your better part of 60 birthday party.
We got early. How the heck?
We had to catch you by surprise. Happy birthday.
Thank you, babe. Y'all didn't have to do that. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, music. Oh.
We didn't
Can I
get to do it last year. It got complicated.
Look who else. Linda. Linda.
Well, I'm not
Linda.
Linda.
Come here.
We was supposed to
Linda.
be, but they got hot.
Look who else is here.
Oh my God.
Out on parole to come to your birthday party. Yeah, I've known about it a couple days.
Lord, I can't believe this. I mean, it's too early.
That's the only way we can surprise you. She would have known something was up if it had been quiet.
You're a hard person to get rid of.